PJ MAC HVAC Service and Repair in Reading, Pennsylvania provides residential and commercial customers with heating and air conditioning repair, installation, and maintenance services. We also service furnaces, air handlers, air purifiers, humidifiers, thermostats, and ductless air conditioners. We offer free installation quotes on all brands of heating and cooling systems, including Lennox, Carrier, Trane, Goodman, and others, as a local family-owned and run HVAC contractor. Call our 24-hour HVAC repair service for immediate assistance. Are you looking for a HVAC repair near me? You can stop looking. You found PJ MAC HVAC Service and Repair. How much ventilation does an air conditioner need? A common rule of thumb is that each side of your air conditioner should have at least 1 foot or 12 inches of space. The manufacturer of your air conditioner may have particular clearance specifications, but it's usually between 12 and 24 inches. How can we save energy for heating, ventilation, and air conditioning facilities? Reduce the amount of energy required to heat and cool outside air by using air-to-air heat exchangers. What is your service area for the Reading, Pennsylvania service office? Our local HVAC repair services have served Reading, Leesport, Garfield, Bernville, North Heidelberg, Brownsville, Robesonia, Wernersville, Mohnton, Temple, Laureldale, Pennside, Reiffton, Shillington, Baumstown, Birdsboro, Scarlets Mill, Plowville, Reinholds, Swartzville. Where is your Reading, Pennsylvania HVAC repair service office located? We are located at 400 Washington Street, number 109, Reading, Pennsylvania 19601. Our phone number is 610-672-3044. Visit our website, www.pjmachvac.com/Washington-ST-Reading-HVAC-Service.